And a very warm welcome to all of you guys. I welcome all of you on this amazing platform of Unacademy. And today we'll be discussing this amazing topic of advanced concepts in the circles. So, what we are going to study today? We are going to study, obviously, firstly, code of contact, which is very important concept for JEE Mains as well as advanced. Also, we'll be looking at relative position of the circles, which also plays a really key role as compared to mains and advanced in your JEE. So we'll be handling these two topics, and also we'll be looking at some amazing problems which have been asked in the past, and guys, many questions related to that particular concept. So without wasting any time, guys, let's begin this amazing lecture on advanced concept on circles. So basically, guys, this is my introduction. This is Abhinav Jha, BTech IIT Nagpur, and I've got around 4 years of teaching experience now, and have mentored many top ranks in JEE Mains and Advanced in the past. Moreover, I have all India rank of 698 in GATE, and also, guys, I have cracked JEE Mains and Advanced in 2012. Also, going forward, guys, you can obviously take the Unacademy Plus subscription, which is going to be absolutely amazing at the time where everyone is looking for a great online platform. What better than an academy, guys? This platform gives the best of the faculties to you, and guys, you can take whatever faculty you liked and you can study with them throughout your journey. So, guys, that's the best part, that you can interact with your favorite educator. Best of the country's faculties are now at this level, and they are teaching here in this particular platform. And guys, you can have live polls, leaderboard, test series analysis, everything is there. Guys, you have live doubt clearing sessions as well, so which is going to be absolutely fantabulous. Moreover, guys, you can install this amazing app from the Play Store. And guys, after that, you can obviously go to the IIT JEE section. In the plus section, you have to click on get subscription. Then, guys, you can up the code of AJ Live. As soon as you put up the code of AJ Live, you will be getting these massive discounts on your subscription. So, guys, this 7,000 will cost you around 6,300, and 38.5 will cost you 34.6. 56,000 will cost you 50.4 respectively. I would recommend 1 year and 2 year plans to you guys, because this is the most economical. And obviously, guys, if we have 1 year time with us, or 2 year time, depending upon, like, let's suppose if we are in ninth, 10th, or 11th, we can take the 2 year plan, because that is going to be very beneficial. And if you are an early starter, definitely you should plan it out very soon. Moreover, guys, if you are a dropper or you are in 12th grade, you can take a year plan, and that will be very beneficial. It's going to cost you around 2 to 3K per month. Okay, done. Also, guys, when this platform comes in, here you have to fill in the code of AJ Live. As soon as you put up the code of AJ Live, you can proceed to pay using EMI options available as well. Okay. Hello, Papi Reddy. Hello, Ketav. And hello, Mahendra. Great. Good evening. Good evening to all of you. Oh, that's fantastic, Papirati. That is very good. 208 marks out of 300. How much you scored in maths? Hi, Mahendra Reddy. Hi, Ketav. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Also, guys, this is the Unacademy JEE English channel, where you can obviously on Telegram get the updates of my classes on regular basis. So please, definitely, you have to subscribe to this Telegram channel. Moreover, guys, as you all know about Unacademy Combat, that is going to start tomorrow. So please register as soon as possible. Do not forget. And guys, you can enroll now using the code of AJ Live right now. Okay. So guys, there will be a lot of rewards and prizes to be won. And guys, do not forget to update your app. Okay. Okay. Please update your app accordingly and with the latest version. Okay. That is very important, guys, to take this Unacademy Combat. So please update your app accordingly. Moreover, guys, this practice session is going to start tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to start the revision series in a very nice manner. So we are going to start with quadratic equations. So tomorrow, guys, I'll be coming up with quadratic equations just after this session. Okay, on obviously functions, I'll be coming up with quadratic equations. So guys, the revision and theory and practice, everything is going to start very soon, and guys, definitely you are going to just love it. So tomorrow, guys, quadratic equations. So stay tuned for all the updates, and guys, the class would be around 7. Okay. Also, guys, Abhinav SC is my code. You can use this code for subscribing to Unacademy Plus. Also, my regular timings on YouTube is 5:30 p.m. I hope everyone is taken care of that and they have noted it down, guys. Please do not forget to join my 21 and 22 batch, both relatively, guys, because this is going to be very very efficient. And Monday to Saturday I'll be here on this platform on JEE English. So please come here every day 5:30 p.m., which is going to be very very beneficial. Moreover, guys, AJ Live is the code which you can use to subscribe to Unacademy Plus. And obviously, there are two courses running currently. So, guys, obviously, differential calculus has been completed, and I'm going to come up with the integral calculus very, very, very soon. And guys, then we are going to do vectors, and then we are going to do inverse trigonometry and matrix determinants. Everything will be covered, guys, in detail. Do not worry about it. Also, guys, this is one more course which is running right now. So guys, this is a detailed batch, so you can join both the batches if you're taken the plus. This is the course on graph sets, relations and functions. Very very important topic going on, guys, functions. Then after that I'll be doing trigonometry, algebra, conic sections. Everything will be done in detail. So please stay tuned, do not go anywhere. And guys, this is the place where you have to land up Unacademy Plus, and there you can get my regular classes in detail as well. Amazing faculties like Rohit sir and Rahul sir are also teaching, so you can join this particular batch, which will be definitely very beneficial for all of you. So definitely, guys, this is the place where you have to land up. My timing is around 8:30 p.m. So guys, you can definitely hang around with me on the Plus platform, which is going to be very important because I'm going to give you deep quizzes, doubt clearing sessions are there. So guys, it's the best place to perform and actually improve daily basis. So now, guys, without wasting any time, let's begin this amazing concept of obviously chord of contact. So guys, the line joining the point of contacts of the tangents to a circle S equals to 0 drawn from an external point P is called as the chord of contact of P with respect to the circle. So now let's see the diagram and you'll understand it better. So this is the circle over here, my dear friends. Let's suppose the circle's equation is S equals to 0 and it is cutting at 2 points A and B. Okay, so we have drawn tangent from, let's suppose, this point P, x1 comma y1. Okay, please concentrate everyone, very important concept. So guys, from P we have drawn two tangents. Okay, we have drawn two tangents. Okay, and then when we join these two tangents, the point of contact is the point of contact, right, of the tangent to the circle. Now when you join these two, there will be a chord, right, and this is called as the chord of contact of point P. Who told it is not there, Pavi Reddy? Chord of contact is definitely they are asking generally in mains. Okay, this is very important, and for advanced it is very very important. Okay. Hi Ash. So guys, how are you, Ash? So definitely, guys, we have to understand this amazing concept of chord of contact. Let's see how we can derive it. See, we have to derive the equation of the chord of contact with respect. So we only know the circle's equation. Let's suppose the circle's equation is x square plus y square equals to a square, and we know the point x1 y1. So using these two, we have to simply get the equation of AB. So that's going to be really amazing, right? So now let's see how we can do it. So let's suppose, guys, I have taken random. I don't know the point of contact of A and B, so let's name it at the moment as x2 y2, and let's note this as x3 y3 respectively. Fine. So guys, can we write down the equations of PA and PB respectively? Why not? Why not? Can't we write the equation of PA and PB, guys? We've already discussed P equal to 0, right? At the point where it is touching. So this will give you what? The equation of the tangent, right? PA. So guys, equation of PA will be what? Can I say the equation of PA will be nothing but x2 plus y2 equals to a square, right? Guys, we've discussed this concept briefly last time only. Right? X2 plus y2 equals to a square, right? Just change the x, one of the values. Y, we have two y's, so we will change one, and this is the equation of the tangent, right? है ना? At the point of contact, that's what we used to do now. I've proved this for you or not? है ना? Whatever is the point of contact, just put it here. Then equation of PB. What will be equation of PB, guys? Similarly, can I say x(3) plus y(3) equals to a square? Okay, great. So we've got these two equations, guys, first and second, just by writing the tangent equation. Now guys, what I'm trying to say is very easy, guys, just very conceptual, and you will get to know very easily. Now, can I say that, guys, this x1 y1 will be lying on both the tangents, isn't it? Can I say that x1 comma y1 lies on both tangents? Can I say that? Yes. Great. Hello Shivani, good evening. Please concentrate, everyone. So guys, what I'm saying is this x1 y1 will be lying on both the tangents. So let's put it that in the equation. Okay. So guys, as soon as I put it that back in the equation, what am I going to get? I'm going to get two equations, guys. What is that? I'll be getting x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equals to a square, and I'll also get what? X1 x3 plus y1 y3 equals to a square, right? Two equations I got, isn't it? X1 x2 plus y1 y2 equals to a square. X1 x3 plus y1 y3 is equals to a square. I got two corresponding equations, right? Great. Now let's suppose my dear students, please try to concentrate. Very interesting concept. The way I'll derive it is very easy. So see here, guys. Can I say that the equation of, let's suppose equation of AB, that is the chord of contact is, let's suppose, capital AX plus BY equals to some capital C. Okay. So let's suppose this is the equation of the chord of contact. Okay. So as you can see over here, can I say that, guys, both x2 y2 and x3 y3 will satisfy the chord of contact? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. So both x2 y2 and x3 y3 will satisfy the chord of contact equation. Okay. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm putting that in the equation. So what I'm getting is I'll get ax2 plus by2 equals to capital C, and ax3 plus by3 equals to C. Now guys, just look at this equation number 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, see here, 2 equations, 4 equations, right? So guys, if you compare 1, 2, 3, 4, can you say that what is the value of A, B, C? Can we get the values of A, B and C? Because guys, this is an equation which has x2, y2, and this equation has x2, y2. This equation also has x3, y3. And guys, we can easily see that, okay, comparing, we can get the values of A, B and C, right? Can I say that, guys, A equals to x1, right? B is equals to y1, and capital C will be a square. Fantastic, isn't it, everyone? So guys, from there, actually I have got the value of A, B and C, and I've got the equation of chord of contact. So what is the chord of contact equation, guys? So guys, the chord of contact equation is now, chord of contact equation will be nothing but x(1) plus y(1) equals to a square. You can bring it this side, we'll get x(1) plus y(1) minus a square equals to 0. Did everyone get it? Did everyone get this concept? Shivani, Happy Reddy, Mahendra, everyone watching, guys. Did you get the equation? Understood? So guys, x1 y1 was this point. Still we got an equation as some t equal to 0. The equation of chord of contact is also coming as t equal to 0, but with respect to the point from where tangents are drawn. Right? Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Great. Understood? So guys, we have obviously got it. So guys, don't think that, sir, tangent equation also t equal to 0, chord of contact equal to t equal to 0. Then what's the difference? Guys, the difference is the point which you are keeping. See, For tangent, x1, y1 is the point where you have this tangent drawn. Understood? But for chord of contact, it's nothing but this is x1, y1. Understood the difference, guys? The difference is this. For tangent, you have to keep this point as x1, y1. And for chord of contact, from where you are drawing the tangents and then you're joining them, so this point will be nothing but your respect to the point we are trying to calculate. Understood? This is x1, y1, and here this is x1, y1. Clear? The difference is clear between both? Great. Hello, guys. So we'll look at few problems. You will understand in detail. Don't worry about it. Fantastic. Hello, next. Now, this is a very important concept, guys, related to mains and advanced. They're asking every year some questions based on this. Relative position of two circles. This what we will discuss is two circles will be there with center C1, C2 and radius R1 or R2. Two circles will be given. Let's suppose that is S equals to 0 and S dash equals to 0. And then we have to compare where the circles are lying. Are they intersecting? Are they touching externally? Are they touching internally? How many tangents can be drawn? So let's see, guys, what we can do. So guys, this is the most easy scenario. I think everyone can imagine this. Like two circles are there. Let's suppose we have two circles with us. This is the first case, guys. So let's suppose we have two circles with us which are not intersecting. Okay, these are non-intersecting circles. So obviously, guys, can you tell me how many tangents can you draw to them? Common tangents can be drawn. Tell me. So guys, this is one common tangent which can be drawn. Hai na? Let's first identify the number of common tangents we can draw. 1, then 2, right? Then we can have this one. Then we can have this one. Actually, 4 common tangents can be drawn. How many? 4. These are called as direct tangents. This is a direct tangent. This is a direct tangent. Very good, Shivani. And this is called as the transverse tangent. Okay. What is this called, guys? Transverse. These are what? Transverse tangent, transverse tangent. So two direct tangents and two transverse tangents can be drawn very easily. You can see from here. Okay. So we'll look into that, guys. Next class, we'll also look into how we can calculate the distances and the lengths of the direct tangents and the transverse tangents. But today our focus is somewhat different. Our focus today is to calculate how we can check mathematically that these are obviously intersecting or these are non-intersecting circles or touching circles. So guys, obviously we can see here these are non-intersecting circles. These circles do not intersect. So what is the condition which we will derive from them? So we have two circles that do not intersect. So guys, let's see what we can do here. So guys, obviously let's suppose this is my R1, okay, and this is my R2. And let's suppose this is A, this length is B, okay. Just let's look into that in easy manner. So guys, I'm just writing this small a and small b. So guys, as you can see from here, can we say that C1, C2? C1, C2 will definitely be more than, we can say that C1, C2 will be equal to what? R1 plus A plus B plus R2, right? So definitely can we say that C1, C2 distance between the centers will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus A plus B na? So this is a somewhat positive number which is added, right? So can I say from here that yes, C1, C2 has to be more than R1 plus R2 if this condition is satisfying? They are non-intersecting circles. Obviously correct, right? So C1, C2 has to be greater than R1 plus R2. A, B are some lengths which we don't know right now and we are not considered about it also. Clear? Guys, very important concept. Please concentrate everyone, which is going to be very, very important for your JEE preparation. Okay guys, so this is the first case. If your C1, C2 distance between the centers is more than the sum of the radius, they are what? Their circles do not intersect. Next. Now guys, let's suppose if we have this case, they are touching externally, okay? Two circles touch externally. They are touching each other externally. So guys, then what we can do, how many common tangents can we draw? Like see here. So we can have one common tangent here, 2 and 3, right? How many we can draw now this time? 3 common tangents. One will be this one. Direct will be only one. Great. So guys, what we can say from here, let's suppose if I join these 2 points. This will be R1, this will be R2. So guys, directly we can say from here that C1, C2 equals to R1 plus R2. So that's it. That's it. C1, C2 will be equal to what? R1 into R2. Simple. And you can say from here that this point divides them into R1 is to R2 ratio. That is also correct internally. Great. है ना? So it's such a easy concept, guys. If C1, C2 becomes R1 plus R2, you can definitely say that yes, this point is nothing but what? Is the point of contact is this one. And guys, these two circles are touching each other externally. Understood, guys? Very important condition. Okay, we'll do some problems on this. You will be obviously getting mastery over it. Don't worry about that. Okay, guys. Chalo, next. Next, guys, we have this one. Okay, and so guys, next we have obviously two circles which are intersecting each other. Okay, so first we had non-intersecting circles, then we have obviously some slide. Okay. Okay, guys. So now we have, let's suppose here we have C1, C2, and we have obviously they are intersecting circles. So what we can say from here? That's the concept which we are looking at. So let's see what we can do, guys. Here, let's name this part as this over here in between is A. Okay, I've named that as A, and guys, this is obviously R1. Okay, let's name this as some B and this as some C. Okay, so guys, can I say that this A is from here to here, guys? Do not worry about that. Okay, okay. Now, so guys, can I say from here that C1, C2 will be what? Will be what? Tell me. Can I say that that will be A plus B plus C? Great. Also, guys, also I would like to see what is R1 R plus R2 and what is R1 minus R2 also at the same time. So, guys, we can also say that R1 radius 1 will be how much? A plus B. And what is R2? R2 will be what? Tell me. We have to compare between R1 plus R2 and R1 minus R2. That's it. If we get that thing, it's more than sufficient. So R2 will be how much, guys? Can I say this will be A plus C? Absolutely. So guys, if you just add here, what are we getting? Tell me. R1 plus R2, A. Can I say that that will be what, guys? 2A plus B plus C, right? Now, if you subtract both of them, R1 minus R2 mod, and this will be what, guys? Tell me. Here, if you subtract both of them, can I say we'll be getting mod of B minus C? Yes. Isn't it, everyone? So first of all, guys, what we've got is, yes, this number A plus B plus C will be what? Obviously less than this number, 2A plus B plus C, and it will be more than B minus C, right? Obviously, yes. Okay, so what will happen? Tell me. So what will happen? Tell me. Can I say that C1, C2 will be definitely less than R1 plus R2 and will be more than mod of R1 minus R2? Okay, so we can draw how many common tangents, guys? This is very sure. We can see here that we can draw two common tangents. Great. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Chalo. So guys, now let's move ahead with this. So that's what, guys, you have to draw two things. One is R1 plus R2 and you have to see here. Why mod? Because any radius can be more, right? Why we have kept mod? Because we don't know whether R1 is more or R2 is more. That's why we have to keep it a positive magnitude. So to keep that, we have obviously kept here modulus. Yeah. Next question, next thing, guys. Let's see. So here we have, guys, we have internally touching circles. Okay, so we have two internally. These are internally touching circles. So here we have obviously C1, C2 distance between the circles. Okay, so guys, now this is what happening. They are touching internally. So obviously now this time we only have what? We can draw one common tangent. to the circles, right? Then we can draw only one common tangent. Okay? So guys, if you just take it this way, what we can do is, let's see. So let's suppose guys, again this time I'll be definitely joining these parts, right? So this is my R1. Okay, this also will be R1 only. Okay, and this will be what? Let's call it as A. So we can see from here, guys, your R2 is this time coming as 2R1 plus A. 2R1 plus A, right? 2R1 plus A. Now, what about R1 plus R2? That will be huge, right? This is R2. And so, guys, what is C1, C2 distance between the centers? C1, C2. C1, C2 is what distance between the centers, right? Can I tell be A plus R1? This time what's happening is C1, C2 is A plus R1. And now from here, just see here, this part is A. I'm just taking this part as A plus R1, right? So this time we can see here that C1, C2 is A plus R1, which is obviously, if you look at the distance between the centers, that is A plus R1. And what is your R1 plus R2? R1 plus R2 is what? A huge number this time, right? Because R2 is already this thing. So we will get 3R1 plus A. Okay. So this is obviously, guys, many times than this. So we are not able to compare this. C1, C2 will be definitely less than this R1 plus R2, right? But what's the best part over here is, guys, if you subtract these two radiuses, let's suppose if you do R1 minus R2, right? So what are we going to get here? Tell me. You subtract R1 minus R2. So can I say, guys, that will be equal to C1, C2? Absolutely yes. है ना? So guys, let's see here. Let's suppose if I am subtracting the R2 and R1. So what is R2 from here? Obviously here R2 is looking bigger. So what will be R2 minus R1 for this? So what we'll get is 2R1 plus A minus R1, isn't it? So R1 cancels. We are getting what? R1 plus A, which is coming as same as C1 C2. Fantastic. So that's the condition over here, guys, that we are getting C1 C2 is coming as mod of R1 minus R2, because here anything can be bigger. So if you are not considered about it, if you don't have the information, you can keep the mod, which will be more than sufficient. Okay, guys. So this is the major condition over here. Fantastic. Next. Now let's look into the last concept, guys. After that, we'll be moving ahead with the questions. You will get a lot of idea about this concept. So guys, this time also, if you look at this part, and if I name this part as, let's suppose, uh, you can say R2, this will be also R2. This part, very small part here, naming as A. Okay, just so that you guys get an idea. Okay, so here can I say that, guys, here this time my R1 is coming as B plus 2R2 plus A. Yes or no? Yes, obviously yes. Great. Now, also, what is C1, C2? Centers, distance between the centers. That is coming as B plus R2 this time. Okay, what about R1 plus R2? That will be amazing. That will be huge. Now, if you add R2, you will be getting A plus B plus 3R2. So, guys, this is no doubt a huge, more than this, right? R1 plus R2 will be more. Acha, what about R1 minus R2? Let's calculate R1 minus R2. That's what we are comparing, right? Either we are comparing with R1 plus R2 or we are comparing with R1 minus R2. So you would have seen that I am obviously calculating both these values one by one. So what is happening here? R1 minus R2, if you do, you will just subtract this part. So you will be getting what? A plus B plus R2. Isn't it? That is it. Great. So guys, as we can see here, this is having an extra A as compared to this, right? So guys, can I say that C1, C2 this time is actually less than mod of R1 minus R2? Yes, it is. Right? Mod why we are keeping, because that cannot be negative, because here we have an extra A. This is B plus R2 and this is what? A plus B plus R2. So this time we can say that this value is actually less than this value. Clear, everyone? Understood? So guys, I hope you understood all the cases. So I'll just revise this in brief once again so that we can proceed with the questions. Today we are going to do some amazing problems, guys. So guys, first case was obviously when they are not intersecting. So we will say C1 C2 is more than R1 plus R2. This is the first case. Okay. Secondly, we have what? C1 C2 equals to R1 plus R2. This is the second case. And then guys, we have obviously C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2, greater than mod of R1 minus R2 when they are intersecting circles. And then guys, finally we have C1 C2 is equals to mod of R1 minus R2. This is obviously this case when they are touching internally. What is this called, guys? Circles touch internally. There's a difference between touching externally and internally. We have discussed that. Okay, in external touching we get C1 C2 equals to R1 plus R2. Here we get C1 C2 is equals to mod of R1 minus R2. Okay, great. And finally guys, we have C1 C2 less than mod of R1 minus R2 when they are not touching each other. So guys, here we can obviously, guys, we cannot draw any common tangent, right? Can we draw any common tangent? No. If somebody asks how many common tangents we'll have zero common tangents. Amazing. Chalo guys, now let's move ahead with this questions. Guys, let's solve some amazing problems. The first question in your screen, chord of contact. So first question is on chord of contact. Chalo, let's see how many of you can do it. The chord of contact of 2 comma 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y is equals to plus 1 equals to 0. Come on. Okay, so we have an answer with us. Happy ready? Check it once. Okay, no issues, no issues. Come on, guys, quick, quick, quick. I've given you the concept. These are the questions which we can do very easily if we know the concept, right? Now it's correct. Very good, Papi ready. After this, we are going to do an amazing problem, guys. That is a very great problem which has been asked many a time in mains and advanced in the past. Similar concept, and that's you get a taste of the questions asked in advanced. So this is pretty simple, guys. Very good, Shivani. So what we'll do is, guys, x1 plus y1, है ना? And because it will be simply t equal to 0, na? We all know how to do that. है ना? And this will be what, guys? This will be what? X will be changed. I have told you guys, x square changes to xx1, y square changes to y1. No, no, next week it will start, Papi Reddy. I'm getting better. So let's see. From next week, maybe we can start. So guys, obviously x will be changed with what? X plus x1 by 2. Okay, x plus x1 by 2. X will be changed with what? X plus x1 by 2. Y will be changed with what? Y plus y1 by 2. Okay, so as soon as you put up over there, so you'll get what? 2 times of x plus x1 and again 2 times of y plus y1, then plus 1 equals to 0. Hello, Hoodie. Now guys, you have to put x1 as 2 and y1 as 1. So what will get? 2x plus y1, that will be y, plus 2 times of what? X plus 2 plus 2 times of y plus 1 equals to 0. So when you open it up, we'll get 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 4x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. That is the answer. Clear? Easy. So next. This is an amazing question. Let's see how many of you can do it. Very good question. Please try to understand and get the equation and you will be able to understand the logic. So we have 3 circles. So read the question once, twice, thrice. You don't get. If the chord of contact of the tangents from the point, from a point on this circle, okay, from this circle there is one point we have taken, and then we have obviously to this circle, obviously we have obviously drawn the chord of contact, so which is touching the third circle. Okay, so all are what? Concentric circles. So we have drawn what, guys? We have drawn chord of contact, right? Okay, okay. So from the obviously on the circles, this is drawn. Okay, the chord of contact of the tangents from a point. So one point is taken on this circle, and then we have drawn chord of contacts. And then, guys, that is touching the third circle. So I'll draw the diagram for you guys if you guys are not able to get it. So we have got three circles. Okay, all are concentric circles. So the greatest is A, obviously. Okay. Then we have, let's suppose, B. We have the circle B, and then finally we have the third circle C. Okay. So guys, let's suppose if I have drawn this is, let's suppose, x square plus y square equals to a square. Okay, this one is the high first one is white one is what, a square, and then this is b square, then this is c square. Okay, so guys, you've drawn the common tangents. Okay, so two tangents, not common tangents, normal tangents you've drawn. Okay, are you getting the point? Now guys, when you draw that, the chord of contact touches the third circle. This is the concept. Amazing caution, right? Yes. So here, if you obviously this, let's suppose this is a point P, this is a point A, this is a point B. Okay. So this point, it is this AB is touching the third circle. Understood? So this is the question, guys. So first circle everyone knows is what? X square plus y square is a square. This is the circle x square plus y square equals to a square. Then this green one is b square. Okay. This one is what? C square. Fine. Now, so guys, how do we do this question? Very interesting problem. So let's see how we can do it. So guys, any point on the circle, what should we take? I've told you guys parametric forms, remember? Right? Haven't I told you parametric forms? Any random point on a circle, what we can take? Can I take any point as a cos theta, comma b sine theta? Sorry, a cos theta, comma a sine theta, right? That's what we can take, everyone, yes or no? Yes. Any point on this circle can be taken as a cos theta, comma a sine theta, right? That is the best one to take, and the easiest one. Now from this, can you get me the equation of AB? Now guys, this circle is what? It is what? This AB is chord of contact to x square plus y square equals to b square, isn't it? Yes. So guys, what we can say is, great Papiridi, you've done 99% of the job. Okay, I can just get it now. So guys, just read the question properly once again. I'm showing you this one. So they are asking ax square plus 2bx plus c has what? The roots of this. So guys, what we can do is, can I say that? Can I get the equation of AB? So we know that it will be what? X1 plus Y1 equals to B square, isn't it, Shivani? Yes. And don't we know X1, Y1 from where? A cos theta, A sin theta. Yes. So let's write down that one. So what we will do, guys, tell me. Can I say that the equation of the chord of contact AB will be AX cos theta? And A cos theta X you can write better. Okay. Right? We will write it as A cos theta X. Okay. Plus A sin theta Y equals to B square. Right? Great. Now guys, this is the equation of the chord of contact. Now, very good, Pabi Reddy. Now the best thing is, guys, from the center of the third circle now, C wala, the distance, this is a tangent to it. Can I say that the perpendicular distance from the center, that is origin, right? The perpendicular distance from origin to this line will be C. Isn't it, guys, amazing problem? Isn't it an amazing problem, guys? Yes. So from this line, from 0, 0, the distance will be C. We can take actually mod C, that will be actually better. But obviously guys, the lengths are positive, so we no need to keep here mod, because these are radiuses. So let's calculate the distance of that circle, this line from this 0 0. So what are we getting, guys? Can I say we will get 0 plus 0 minus b square upon under root of a square cos square theta plus a square sine square theta, right? Mod will be equal to c. So guys, now obviously what is it coming out to be? You'll be getting mod of minus b square upon a square, right? Under root will be equal to what? C. So guys, obviously all are positive numbers a, b, c. So we'll get what? B square equals to, this will be a, c. So this also can be asked, guys. They are in GP. That is an amazing result we got. They are actually in GP. Right or not, everyone? Yes, they are in GP. Moreover, guys, they had asked us the slightly tricky part, that they have obviously we have got b square equals to ac. So here they have obviously said that the roots of the equation are what? So guys, if you look at the roots, for you have to calculate the discriminant, isn't it? What will be that? 4b square minus 4ac. So as soon as you take 4 common, you'll get b square minus ac, so which is 0. So discriminant is coming as 0, guys. That means the roots are what? Real and equal. That's the answer. Amazing question, guys. So I hope everyone understood. So guys, what I have done here, I've obviously used the direct, obviously, chord of contact equation and also the tangent concept. So guys, this was the question. We had obviously 3 circles, all are concentric, a greater than b greater than c kind of question. So this is how the diagram will be made, a greater than b greater than c. So guys, what we did is from this point, any point on the circle, first one, we've drawn 2 tangents. Okay, so that 2 tangents is drawn, and then guys, the point of contact are joined. This is called as chord of contact. So this chord of contact touches the third circle. Amazing question, right? This will touch the third circle. So what we did is we took the random point as a cos theta, a sin theta. Then using that, we've actually got the chord of contact equation, which I've already derived for you just now. So the equation of the chord of contact is xx1 plus y1 equals to b square. In that, you just have to replace x1 by a cos theta, y1 by a sin theta, because we are drawing the chord of contact from a cos theta, a sin theta. Now, the thing is, the last concept, that distance of the center from this tangent will be what? Radius, that is c. So we have dropped the perpendicular from this, and we've got the distance formula, and from there we got this b square equals to ac, and that means, guys, the equation has what? This equation will have real and equal roots. Clear? I hope everyone understood this. Let's move ahead, everyone. Okay, now this is the next problem. So let's see how many of you can do this one. So the equation of chord of this circle whose midpoint is given. Okay, so this kind of question is also very famous, which has been asked many a times in JEE. Come on, everyone, try it out quickly. So we have this one, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 3 equals to 0, whose midpoint is 1 comma minus 2. So the equation of chord of this whose midpoint is given like this. Come on. So guys, in this, obviously the circle is given and we have been given midpoint of the chord. So we need the equation of the chord. Fine. Very good, Papi, ready? So guys, if you look at this one, very good, Shivani. So center is what? Can I say, guys, 2gx? 2gx is what? This one. So center will be what? Everyone knows center is minus g comma minus f. Comparing, we'll get this one. So what is the center coming out as? 2 comma minus 3. So the new ones, guys, this is 2gx. This is what? 2gx. What? 2fy. So comparing, you will get g as minus 2 and f as 3. So center will be minus g comma minus f. So that will be 2 comma minus 3. Also, they have given us the midpoint of the chord. So midpoint of the chord, this is the center. Midpoint of the chord is given as 1 comma minus 2. So guys, we need the equation of the chord. So it's a very easy one. All know that the chord will be what? Perpendicular, right everyone? From the center. So guys, if you get the slope of this one, you can easily get the slope of chord as well, right? Let's call this as O and this as A. So what is the slope of OA? Slope of OA will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That will be what? Minus 2 minus minus plus 3. It will be upon 1 minus 2. That is coming as minus 1. So obviously, yes, these two are perpendicular. So what we'll get? Slope of chord will be what? Slope of chord will be 1. So guys, we can easily get the equation now. Yes, simple. Y minus y1. Y1 is what? Uh, y1 plus 2 is equals to slope is 1 into x minus 1. We are getting what? X minus y minus 3 equals to 0. Absolutely easy, right? So no need to mug up any kind of formulas for this question. We have actually we can do it very easy. Great. So next. Now guys, we have to find out whether these two circles are intersecting, touching externally, internally, or lying one inside the other. Come on everyone. Very easily you can do it. We have done so many things here today on this platform. So guys, everyone watching, please hit a like. That will be an amazing experience for us as a team working out for you guys on daily basis. And our team is working really hard to provide you amazing content. Definitely you guys can support just by liking the video. So guys, what we need to do is, first of all, in this, what we do is three things we'll calculate always. C1, C2. The next steps should be to calculate R1 plus R2. And then we should calculate mod of R1 minus R2. And then we'll compare, and I've given you the theory and you can easily get it. So guys, let's calculate C1. C1, center of the first circle will be what? 6 comma minus 4, right? Anna? Minus G comma minus F, right? G will be minus 6, so minus G comma minus F. Okay, great Shivani. Very good, Papi ready. And C2 will be what? Will be what? 2 comma minus 1. Anna, half of this. So it's what? 2 comma minus 1, right? Yes. So what is C1, C2 coming out as? Let's see. Papi ready is saying it's 5. 4 and yes, है ना? 6 minus 2 16 and plus 9, that is coming as 5. C1 C2 is coming as 5. Let's calculate radiuses one by one. R1 will be what? Root under c square plus f square minus c minus 48. So what is it guys? 52 minus 48 root of 4, that is 2. R2 R1 is 2. R2 will be what? R2 will be root under g square. Guys, everyone should remember the formula. G square. What is the radius formula? Radius formula is under root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the constant c, g and f I've already told you now. R2 will be what? 4 plus 1 plus 4. Minus of minus 4 will be plus 4. So which will coming out as guys 9. Root of 9, that is 3. So what we've got guys, C1 C2. C1 C2 has come out to be what? R1 plus R2. So that means what? Externally touching circles. Guys, this diagram would be like this. Obviously, we will be getting somewhat like this. Distance between the centers, one C2 is coming out as radius, sum of the radiuses. That means they are touching externally, no doubt. Yes. Okay. In JEE also they have asked quite a few times in the past. Let's see, next one. Backlogs you have, so obviously a logo, make a rule, make a timetable, that this is the timetable. Now I have to obviously take every day, I will give it for my backlogs. You can keep 1.5 hours to 2 hours every day in the night. The best way to is to watch videos. Okay, if you are interested, you can definitely go here on the JEE English channel. We have obviously I have completed around 80% of the syllabus now. on this platform. You can come over here, you can watch out the lectures. There I've solved many problems. You can just go through in the end, just in the night before sleeping. You can cover up the backlogs like that. And you have to put up efforts. Obviously, you have to put up your effort from your side, and then only it will be very important to understand that yes, you can finish it up, but yes, you have to make a schedule and you can watch the videos, and then you can obviously practice and get it done. Yeah, start it from today. One lies outside the other, or one lies completely inside the other, touches externally, touches internally. Let's see, guys. Amazing question once again. So these are the questions which we have to obviously. So guys, next class onwards, we are going to discuss system of circles. Also, we'll be discussing angle between two circles. Then we'll be moving ahead with the radical axis, everything, right? Radical center, all the amazing concepts, guys. Everything will be done on this platform. Do not worry about it. I'll be completing A to Z each and every syllabus of yours. So don't worry. Everything will be done. So guys, let's see. So guys, again, I told you three things we have to calculate. First, we'll calculate C1, C2, then R1 plus R2, then mod of R1 minus R2, right? One by one, let's calculate everything. So Papiretti is telling us the centers. Let's see. So guys, center 1 will be how much? Center 1 will be what? 1 comma. Center 2 will be how much? Look at this one. It will be minus 2 comma 1, right? Great. So if you just use the C1, C2, the distance formula, what are we getting? Root under this minus this 9 plus 1. So guys, we are getting what? Root of 10. Correct. So root 10 is coming as our C1, C2, right? Okay, what is our R1? Apparently, as I told you, pole and polar is not in the syllabus of the JEE. So this is basically for JEE English channel. So that obviously I won't be discussing, but yes, you can ask me personally. It's a very simple concept, very basic foundation, which is not there in the JEE syllabus. Fine. If you have any doubts related to it, you can ask me. I will be very well answering all your things when the time is there. Fine, clear. So guys, obviously, what are we getting the radius of one first circle R1? R1 is coming as root under this. What is that? E square plus F square 20. So we are getting root of 25, that is 5. R2 will be how much? R2 will be root under E square 4 plus 1 minus 4. What are we getting? 1. So guys, can I say that this case is of C1, C2? This case is of what? C1, C2 less than mod of R1 minus R2, isn't it? Yes. C1, C2 is coming as what? Less than mod of R1 minus R2, right? So that's the reason why it is which point, which part, this part. Last we discussed, remember? Hai. Because guys, C1, C2 is what? Root 10. Root 10 is actually less than what? Root 10 is actually less than 5 minus 1, 4. So root 10 is less than 4. Difference of the centers, difference of the radiuses. So that's why guys, it is not, one circle is exactly lying inside the other, isn't it everyone? Clear? Amazing. So guys, please everyone watching, hit a like. That will be very encouraging for our team. Okay, just hit a like. That's what it will be very encouraging. Guys, we are working hard day in day out for you guys. It will be very beneficial. And do not forget, guys, an Academy Combat is starting tomorrow. So do not forget to obviously join that. It's going to be very amazing. And obviously, guys, you can definitely come on to that podium of the app. Next one, the number of common tangents to this circle. Come on, guys. Okay, Shivani is saying it's A. What about others, guys? See, here everything is given directly. What is this? R1 square, right? R1 square is 256. So radius 1 is how much? 16. Great. This is R2 square. So R2 will be what? 11. E1 is what? Origin. First circle center is what? Origin. Second circle's center is where? At 3 comma 4. Right? Yes. So what is coming at as, guys? C1, C2. Tell me. C1, C2 distance between the centers. Root under 9 plus, that is what? 25. That is 5. Great. So guys, C1, C2 is 5, and that is coming as what? C1, C2 coming as what? Mod of R1 minus R2, isn't it? Yes. This is also coming as 5. 16. 16 minus 11, that is also 5. C1, C2 is what? That is coming as R1 minus R2. Which case is it? It's the case when the circles are touching internally. Circles are touching internally, internal touching, right? That's when this case happens, right? So guys, how many tangents we can draw? Common tangents? Obviously one common tangent, right? In this scenario, circles are touching internally, so therefore we can draw only one common tangent, right? That is it. This is the tangent which we can draw pretty easily. Fine. Okay guys, है ना? जब भी we have this case C1, C2, right? Center, let's suppose center 1 is here. Center 1 is here. This is the center 2. Guys, when you join these two, this minus this, center 1 C1, C2 will be nothing but what? Mod of R1, radius 1 minus radius 2. You know, that's what it will come. Whenever we have this C1, C2 is equal to mod of R1 minus R2, we say that the circles touch internally. So when they are touching internally, we can only draw one common tangent, right? Here, this is the common tangent. When they are touching externally, so we get what? C1, C2 equals to R1 plus R2. In this scenario, we get how many common tangents? You'll get how much? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, maximum we can get 4 when they are not touching externally, when they are not actually intersecting also in that scenario, like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'll give you one homework. You can obviously, guys, uh, discuss one important concept we'll be discussing in the next time. I'll give you that. Okay, just after this question, let's take one last problem, guys. And obviously, giving you that homework, that is a very good one. So you should obviously try to get the length of the direct tangents and the transverse tangents. If you know the radiuses of, that will be amazing. So let's see, guys. If the circles x1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 square equals to r square, and this circles intersect at two distinct points, okay? And they intersect at distinct points, then what is the condition on r? Good question. Kind of questions in asked in mains a lot number of times, guys, in the past, as I have seen, and also in advanced nowadays they are asking on similar concept. Many questions have to be strong. Okay. Okay, Shivani has got the answer. Great. Great, great, great. Guys, please be regular. Do not miss out on any lecture. That will be very, very important. Be regular in the classes. In next class tomorrow, guys, obviously we have one session on relations and functions at 5:30. Okay, in that I'm going to discuss composition of functions, and then we have one lecture we'll be having just after this session at around 7 p.m. most probably. Okay, that will be on quadratic equation revision. So revision is starting tomorrow, guys, on this platform. Okay, do not forget to be regular with the revision sessions. These revision sessions will be very very important for your preparation of your JEE. So for we are targeting 21 JEE. So guys, definitely revision is important, and we are bringing here for you guys the revision sessions. So guys, let's see. So that means intersect at two different points. That means C1, C2 will be, as I told you with the condition, C1, C2 will be what? Less than R1 plus R2 will be greater than mod of R1 minus R2. Okay, that will be revision will be on YouTube only. On YouTube. Okay, guys. So here C1, C2, the distance between the centers. So guys, first center one we all know how much? 1 comma 3, right? X minus x1 x minus h whole square plus y. C2 is how much? That is coming as 4 comma minus 1. Huh? Gx 2gx 2fy, right? Yes. What is the C1 C2? Tell me. C1 C2 will be, and we can calculate the radius, this one. So this radius of this R2 will be how much? The root of g square, that is going to be 16 plus 1 minus 8, which is coming as root of 9, 3. Vivek, you just wrote it reverse. R1 is R, right? So guys, what we'll get is C1, C2 is what? Distance between the centers. Can I say it will be root under 9 plus 16 less than R plus 3, but greater than mod of R minus 3, right? Yes. So guys, what are we getting? We are getting what? 5 is less than R plus 3 and it is greater than mod of R minus 3. So guys, we've got two inequalities. So let's solve one by one both of them. So first inequality, when you solve first part, that will give you what? So you're getting what? R plus 3 is more than 5, right? 5 is less than R plus 3. So from there you're getting R is greater than 2. First, then no issues, no issues. Second, we are getting what? Mod of R minus 3 is less than 5. So guys, from this what you will get is mod of x. Whenever we say mod of x is less than a, that means x belongs to minus a to a. It is between that. So we'll get R minus 3 is between 5 and minus 5. When you add 3 both sides, you'll get R between 8 and minus 2. So guys, two inequalities. So we will be taking the intersection of both. One is guys saying I'm between minus 2 and 8. One guy is saying I'm more than 2. So whom will you consider? The common region will be what? R is between, and obviously radius can never be negative. Okay, great. Amazing. Understood, guys. So this was the condition. So many of the questions are asked like this. So in the next class, guys, obviously on circles, we'll be discussing few amazing concepts like radical axis, radical center, angle between the circles, and also we'll be looking at the length of direct and common tangents. No, Vivek, next week it will be starting. Okay, due to health issues, I'm not able to take multiple hours class at a stretch. Okay, so definitely I'll be coming up next week. Okay. Special classes will resume. Don't worry. Okay, guys, and definitely this is your homework, guys. This is your homework. So here you have to here obviously, guys, you have, if two circles are given. So guys, it's general question. General question. Let's suppose if two circles are given to you, and let's suppose somebody gave you two circles. So you need to get there. You know the center. You know the centers. You know the radiuses. Fine. So you have to get two things. First is this, and then you have to get the length of common transverse tangent. Both. Okay. So guys, try it out. Let's see how many of you can get it. Both things you need to get, this one as well as this one. Okay, this is a question in which they have asked us the transverse common tangent. This is called as transverse tangent, and this one is called as direct tangent, right? So if you know the centers, if you know the radiuses, can you get it? That's the thing. Okay. The distance between the centers is given here, obviously. Okay, that is given, and then they're asking the length of transverse common tangent. Try to get the length of direct tangent as well. Okay, so guys, this is your homework. Please comment on this video. I'll be obviously managing that, and we'll be discussing this formula in the next class as well. So please comment on this video. Do not forget that. And guys, all of you know that you can install the app from the Unacademy Play Store. Go there, guys. Please install the app. Do not forget that, because guys, Unacademy Combat is obviously there. So you all can obviously join the Unacademy Combat, which is obviously up for grabs. Many prizes to be won, as I've told you in the beginning of the session as well. Right. So please join that as soon as possible. Do not forget to obviously, guys, join uh, this Unacademy Combat. Try to win prizes as much as possible. You can enroll right now. Tomorrow is the Unacademy Combat. Please update the app, guys. Do not forget to update it. Okay, fine. And guys, obviously quadratic equations. Again, quadratic equations is going on, and tomorrow this revision series is going to start. Fine. So guys, be regular. Do not miss out on any of the lectures. And guys, that is very very important for your preparation. And guys, obviously I'll be there to help you guys. Any doubt, you can obviously comment over here in the videos. I'll be answering all your doubts, guys. Do not forget that obviously plus subscription is up for grabs. From the IIT section, you have to click on plus, and guys, click on get subscription. Everyone, guys, please like the video for your support. It's very very important that you guys support for us. Are working hard day in day out for your obviously best, so that guys, we provide the quality education for obviously free. So definitely, guys, you can from the Play Store, after downloading that, you can obviously click on the AJ Live code. As soon as you put up the code of AJ Live, you'll be getting these massive discounts. It will be costing you around 6,300, 34.6 and 50.4 respectively for 1 year and 2 years. Okay, so that is what we have, guys. Arey, you will be getting it, don't worry. है ना? Chalo. So guys, obviously this is the place where you have to put it, and guys, AJ Live is the code. As soon as you put up the code AJ Live, then you can proceed to pay using EMI option as well. Do not forget that, guys. Please put up the code of AJ Live, and then you can use the EMI option for obviously taking the plus subscription. And guys, 5:30 p.m. is the timing, okay, of my regular sessions on this platform. Do not forget that. Tomorrow also I'll be there Monday to Saturday, guys. Do not forget, guys. 21 and 22 aspirants can definitely join. Okay. Also, guys, my special class timings are in general 7 p.m. I will be resuming that from the next week. Moreover, guys, AJ Live code, after using this, you can subscribe to Unacademy Plus, and already my two courses are running. One course has been will be completed today. Today is the mega quiz on the platform, and definitely, guys, integral calculus will be started next. Okay. No, no, no. I'm currently in Noida. Okay, guys. So integral calculus it is, and guys, definitely you please see the crash course going on. So if you are planning to join the plus, join it right now, guys. I'm going to come up with integral calculus very very soon for the crash course, guys. Advanced course on electromagnetism is also going on by Rohit sir, and Rahul sir and Murli sir are also teaching. So if you join this batch, it will be amazing, amazing experience for you guys. So please do not forget to join this crash course. And if you are a 21 aspirant, everything will be done here at 8:30 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And guys, this is a detailed batch going on plus for the students of 22, and guys who are writing in 23, or if you are preparing for advanced 21. The detailed batch going on. You can join this batch as well. In this currently graph relations and functions is going on, and we'll be carrying forward as soon as possible with trigonometry, algebra, and coding section. Fine. Also, guys, do not forget to hit a like. That will be very encouraging for our team who are working hard day in day out. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining this amazing session. Please do not forget to subscribe this amazing channel. And guys, after that, you can obviously use the code of AJ Live for taking the plus subscription. Do not forget to use the code AJ Live. Thanks a lot, everyone. See you tomorrow with composition of functions. Hope to see you there. And then after that, we'll be doing the revision on quadratic. Thanks a lot, everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Do not forget to watch the video from the beginning if you've missed out on any other